We are joined by Best Player of the Game and Best Player of the Conference, Junmar Fajardo, and winning coach, Coach George Cal. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach George, after three hard-stopping close games, how satisfying is it to get a 10-point victory? What about this game makes you think that you're back to playing this illegal game?
Well, it's just nothing. It's a great win for us today, but we just tied the series, and we just made it a best of three. I'm just happy that we talked about a lot of stuff yesterday in practice, and we just talked to one another and said that if we trust our teammates and we share the ball, that offense will come, and it showed now. I think we had 111. I think this is the highest output in this series. So it's just a mindset of these players to trust one another and to share the ball. That's the philosophy.
Coach, it's the first time for Vic Manuel and Terrence Romeo to make an appearance in this series. When did you decide to field them in, and how did they fare in the expectations you set for them?
Well, Terrence played well. He played quality minutes, and also Vic. I'm really happy with Vic. Even if yung minutes niya, it was only 7 or 8, but he really helped us a lot. His quality minutes were really great, and he really helped the team in today's victory. And also, Terrence played well, but I'm sure he's not healthy yet. But the kid just wants to win and just wants to help the team. That's why he played.
Thank you, Coach. Junmar, congratulations not just for the win but also for winning Best Player of the Conference. Sabi mo kanina na hiniwala na yung awarding ngayong araw. Anong kahalagahan ba nito pagiging Best Player of the Conference mo for the 10th time? At paano ka ginanahan sa laro nito kung ikaw ang
No, that's not really good guys. I'm just kahit sino sa team namin pwede maging best player of the conference kasi sobrang lalim ng team namin. And hindi ako dahil nagawa ng DPC. Kailangan talaga iyan yung sarili ko sa ilalim kasi pagkatalo kami, hindi naman mahirap na mga responsibility. So, gusto namin manalo, gusto namin matay yung series. And credit sa coaching staff, mga teammates ko, nag-step up kami lahat ng senior class ni coach, nag-step up lahat. So, kaya nakuha ng
Junmar, sa mga laro, lagi ko napag-usapan yung defense ng Capitol sa ito na ko. Ano ba talaga yung challenge sa binibigay nila sa iyo? At masasabi mo ba naka-adjust ka na doon after this game?
Maganda yung defense na really defense na hindi na sa akin, hindi sa buong team kasi limited yung mga namin, yung shots namin. Minsan din kaya mga 70 shots lang. So, ayun, tapos ngayon, yung nga sinabi ng coach, maganda yung namin ngayon, pasaan, yung bola. So, yun yung, ngayon, kaya nanalo kami.
At this point, we're opening the floor to the media.
Junmar, congrats. You mentioned nga kanina na hindi mo alam daw na remarket. Hindi mo daw alam na awarding it. Pero when you finally won it, tapos you were announced na APC, nagkaroon ka ng added motivation to perform this way. Tonight's game, 12 points in the first quarter. Gano'n ka motivated after winning the award?
Motivated ako kasi down kami, one game sa series. So, yung BBC, bonus na lang yan. So, masaya ako na nakuha ko yung BBC, pero i-credit yun sa mga teams ko. Kasi yung makukuha yung dinahin sa mga teams ko. So,
Coach, si Terrence ba fully healthy na or you're still taking it day by day,
Day by day pa, and he just decided to play because he really wanted to help the team. So I'm very happy that yun yung mentality niya, na sige, he talked to me yesterday and said, I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna really, in case na ipasok, if I bring him inside, he's gonna give his 110, which he did now. And then, and also to Dick, you know, I talked to Terence and Dick, and said that, you know, if there's a chance that I can bring you inside, can you play at least 110%? And they did it today, so very happy that they followed the instruction.
What's yung di ba may number talagang hindi na masyadong nagagamit?
Ano, he got, kasi after the Rain or Shine series, he got kind of sick. So he didn't practice that was a 14-day break, so he didn't practice, I think, for 10 to 12 days kasi he was really feeling ill. So, and he just stayed in his house. So, siguro he's just getting his breath back. Now, once, and it's coming back kasi in practice, he's doing extra work. And so, he wants his timing back. So, I'm sure it's gonna come back. I just hope soon. And about his best player of the conference, Junmar really worked hard for it. So you know, it doesn't come easy. He worked hard for it. So I'm happy that he got it. As you said? No. Sorry. I'm sorry.
Coach, knowing the series, how the series is being played, most of the time, generally yung DDP, and you're the one na parang kayo yung nag-a-adjust on this kind of way, did you see some shift in
No, it was because yung first 3 games they were dictating the game because you know they were averaging 16 more shots than us. So now I was looking at that. I think they just had 1 extra shot, and that's really a big factor. You know, if a team averages 16 more shots than you, so that's really hard to that's really hard to beat and really hard to win. So now I just looked at it. We just lost by 1. So the players really focused on that. And had effort getting the rebounds. Kasi lahat ng extra points naman nila was coming all from offensive boards. Imagine that 22 the last game, and they had 16 more shots. So that was really a big factor today.
Kung si new 14, Raya, okay ka ba doon if the other Miracle players are, or would that be a concern?
He had 48, huh?
40.
40. Well, as long as the rest don't score, we're fine. So you know, he had his 40, but we kind of stopped the rest of them. So very happy for that.
Shout out. Shout out Mama, Papa, Jay, Kendra, Vance, Cham Cham, Rubiseo, Building, Attorney Stenson, family, sa lahat ng mga taga-Cebu, taga-Pinagmaan, House of Kraken, Kraken Car Wash, Kraken Car Wash, Ausgan, sa mga fans ng San Miguel, maraming salamat. Pizza Needles, shout out Pizza Needles. Apakap, good luck sa finals. Jerry Ramos, sa Jerry Ramos. So, salamat sa mga fans ng San Miguel, sa mga fans ng PBA, kita-kita tayo sa next game sa venue.
I'm good. Thank you.
Thank you, gentlemen. Congratulations.
Bye. See you.